Hey everyone, this is Akash, and today we are going to use one of the feature of Amazon, that is IAM, Identity and Access Management. So let's start. Just have to open Amazon AWS account. Okay. So before going ahead, just I want to give a pre-idea of what is IAM actually. So whenever you join any organization, you get certain permission to access some part of that organization. That basically IAM does. So whenever is there, if you are a root user and you want to give certain permission to your users, then we basically use IAM. So for that you must be having AWS account. That's okay. Let me first log out so that I could show you from the beginning. So this is what basically the login page looks like. So you need to be a root user, then only you can create a IAM user. Okay, so since I have you need to have this account as a root user, so I have already created it. Let's go next. Once you will give the password, well, this is multi-factor authentication. So if you are new or if you newly created this root user, you must not be having this one, but I'll show you how to create this one too. Let me just write. So this is the dashboard page which looks like. Okay, you just need to search IAM. So in this video, we will only discuss about the user part. Okay, rest of the things like creating a group, policies, rules. I'll just give you a little bit idea. Creating a group means if you are giving a certain type of access to a large number of a group, then you can use a group. If you are doing things individually, if you are giving permission individually, then go with the user. And rules, what rules you want to give them. So more about this, I'll discuss on my later videos. So right now here, if you were not having multi-factor authentication, so you can create from here. Well, while creating the user, I'll show you that one too. Okay, so just click on user first if you want to create the user. Okay, write the name of any user which you like. Suppose if I want to give Sager, I'll just add username. That's same as Sager. Okay, then after provide the user access. Okay, you need to choose I want to create an IAM user. Then you can see there is a auto generated password which Amazon will give you, and further you can change. Otherwise you can create a custom password. Okay, for that one let me create myself as a user. Okay, because even if you are a root user, never try to log in with a root user. Always create yourself as a IAM user and give all the access to yourself, so that will be easy and kind of a security for your password too. So I'm just writing my password. User must create a new password at the next sign in. This simply means that the next time when the user want to create, if user is someone else, they can create their own password with this one. Okay, from your access. But right now I'm the user, so I'm not gonna take this one. Okay, let's go next. Close it. If you want to add that user into a group, you can use this one. But for now, we will just uh, copy permission. If you already have a permission of any user, you can copy that into this user and attach policies. Since I'm doing from beginning, so I'll show you everything. So right now I don't want to give any permission. I'll just create next. Okay, so you can see there's Akash, custom password has been given. Okay, just create user. Okay, so you can see A user with the name of Akash has been created and the password is here. Okay, return to the user list. You have not viewed or downloaded the user's password. If you want to continue, you can retrieve the password in the future. Instead, you can create a new password for the user. Okay, continue. So here is my user. Okay, now I'm going to create a login with IAM user. Okay, with my incognito mode. I can't do on the same tab because it will be replicated both the tabs. I want two different tabs, so that's why I'm using this incognito one. Wait, no, just sign in. So now you are a IAM user. So just click on IAM. You need an account ID. So this person, the root user, will give you the account ID from here. Okay, just copy this one. Go here, paste it. Username, my name is there. Password. Just click on sign in. So yeah, let it be. If I want to access any of the parts, suppose if I want to access EC2 machine, let's try to access this one. Since we have not given any permission, so it should not allow us to create any EC2 machine. I'm going to launch an instance. So definitely an error occurred. Let's see. So far, suppose this is, I'm just writing in. Okay, I should not be able to. Let's see, because I have not given any permission to the user. Instant type. An error occurred. Of course, it should be. It should not allow you to create any other things. Just let's launch the instance. So you can see. Okay. Let this be hello. You are not authorized to perform this operation. So basically, it denied you to create this instance. Okay. Now let's try to give some certain permission to this user. We'll go back to this one. We'll click on this username. Okay. Just go down. Here you have a permission tab. Just click here. Add permissions. Okay. Since we do not have any group, so we are not going to add it into group. Neither we have any user, so we are not going to copy any permission from the user. So directly we'll click on attach policies. So what I'm gonna go do, I can give the whole access, that is administrator access. Okay, I'll just click on this one. Okay, so basically administrator access is something which will give you all the access. Okay, this is more about administrator access. I'll just click on this plus sign. Okay, so if you see, the effect is this is the JSON file of this access. So this is allow, and here is a star. So star is basically it give you the action to perform everything in this AWS. As a IAM user, you can perform anything. Okay, if I click on this one, okay, so it will give all access basically. Or if you want to search any, suppose I want to search EC2. Okay, so here Amazon EC2 container registration access, their number. Just basically you can use Amazon EC2 full access. Okay, there is S3 bucket too. S3 bucket full access. Okay, once you are done, just click on the next. Since you have given administrator access, these two doesn't make any sense, but Just take it casually. Add permission. Okay. So three policies have been added to this Akash. We can again go back to user. Uh, let's go back. Yeah. Let's try to refresh this one. Now, if anyone wants to, if that this person wants to create, we can easily create it. Suppose I'm creating for Docker. Just let it be. Then to retire eligible. Now you will not see any of the uh, problem while creating any problem while creating or while giving any using any feature. Mm, allow internet traffic access. Let it be. Launch instance. Hello. Earlier it was not allowing us. Okay. So now let's try. We got it. Okay. So here it is allowing us to download. Since I have created an EC2 machine, so I'll have to stop because you have only so you do not have any. Okay. That key pair that I have downloaded, I need to implement that one while launching the instance. So this is not basically about EC2 machine, so I'm not gonna dictate more about it on this one. If you need any other video, I'll give a quick shot to that one too. But for now, I hope you have got a brief idea that how to create IAM user, and particularly I have covered only the user part. If the rest of the part I'll cover in the next videos. I hope you have got some ideas. If you do have any question, just ping me there. Yeah, thank you.